Once your repairs are completed, we will then put the top cover back on. We're going to do this in reverse order of taking off the top cover. Again, flaring out the very front of the top cover as we slide it over the heat exchanger and that vacuum pump, just to make sure that we get over those. It's very important that we push down our wires to ensure that we don't catch them on these little teeth on the front of the top cover. So we just want to be very careful as we slide this back on. Get it all the way back to the front and flush. All right, once your top cover is now back on, we want to go ahead and re-secure all 6 screws with that T20 Torx bit. You will notice here, like right here, I have a little small gap. We want to make sure that you're flush. Here at the top, we're flush. Here at the bottom, we do have a little bit of a gap. We want to make sure when we re-secure this top cover that we don't have that gap. If you do, it will have a gap at the very on the top of it, and you're gonna have to fix that. So just make sure that the top cover is flush and then it's nice and tight. And that is how you successfully reattach the Enbio Pro top cover. If you have any questions, please feel free to call us. Our number here is 704-966-1650. Option 3 for technical support. Again, this is Steven with Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions. Hope this video found you helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to call us. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.
If you'd like to see a video on the removal of the Enbio Pro top cover, you can find our video linked in the description below. If you have any questions about Enbio Pro maintenance, autoclaves, or anything else, give us a call at 704-966-1650, option 3 for our free tech support line. And please don't forget to like and subscribe.